What's up, fam? We back again. The downpipe is on. The Catless downpipe is on. It sounds amazing. Oh my God. It is so much better than I could have imagined. It's perfect. Zero drone, more pops, more burbles, more growl. Perfect. This is how the car should have came from the factory, I swear. I'm gonna let y'all hear it in a second. Let's go. More turbo sound. It's crazy. The snaps in those cracks are crazy. So much louder. Oh my God, it's amazing. I love it. They literally sound like explosions coming out of the back. Like I can imagine the flames coming out. There's no tune on it. It's just straight Catless downpipe. That's it. Factory exhaust, not even the M Sport exhaust. But I got the valve open. I'm in Sport Plus. I'm about to go under a little tunnel in a second. It's perfect though. It's exactly what I wanted. I did my research and I just got a brand new exhaust replaced from the Cat back. The Cat wasn't included in the replacement. When I bought it from CarMax, there was a crazy rattle in the exhaust. But let me let you guys hear it. And me.